cricketers from the Australian women's team, who is in India for participating in the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup, were allegedly harassed. Both the players were stalked and one of the players was allegedly molested by a motorcycle-borne man in Indore of Madhya Pradesh. The incident took place on Khajrana Road just hours before the Australia-England match. Police say the players had stepped out of their hotel and were walking to a nearby cafe when a man on a motorcycle began following them. He allegedly touched one of the players inappropriately before speeding away. The cricketers immediately alerted their team security officer, who then contacted local police. Assistant Commissioner of Police Imani Mishra met the players, recorded their statements and registered an FIR under the charges of stalking and use of criminal force. Thanks to a bystander who noted the motorcycle's number plate, police tracked down and arrested 28 years old Akil Khan, a repeat offender with previous criminal cases.
ये ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम मैनेजमेंट के जो सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर्स हैं उनके द्वारा एक रिपोर्ट लिखाई गई है। उनके द्वारा ये बताया गया कि उनके जो दो प्लेयर्स हैं, जो टीम मेंबर्स हैं, उनके साथ इनअप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर हुआ है और इसमें फिलहाल FIR रजिस्टर्ड कर दी गई है BNF की धाराओं में। और उसमें आरोपी को, जो इंटेंसिव स्ट्रेटेजिक ऑपरेशन के तहत आरोपी को आइडेंटिफाइड किया जाकर आरोपी को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है।
The BCCI condemned this incident, calling it a shameful act that tarnishes the spirit of sport. The board commended the Madhya Pradesh police for their swift action and said the law must take its course to ensure strict punishment for those who are the culprits.
Entire incident is very unfortunate. These kind of incidents should not have taken place. And we condemn this incident, and whatever precautions are required will be taking as far as the other venues are concerned. And our state associations, they will also take care of all these things. And Indore police has already nabbed them. They have been arrested. So whatever strict action is required, that will be done.
अगर ऐसा हुआ है तो शर्मनाक है, और जिन्होंने भी की है उसको कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई कीजिए। मेरे को अभी आपने बताया, मुझे इसकी जानकारी नहीं थी, पर अगर ऐसा हुआ है तो उनके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई कीजिए।
गिरफ्तारी भी हो चुकी है भाई साहब उसकी, लेकिन इतनी बड़ी चूक हुई थी उनकी सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी को लेकर। हालांकि जो भी व्यक्ति हमारे गिरफ्तार हो चुका है,
नहीं, जिसने भी किया है उसके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई होगी, क्योंकि ये देश के सम्मान के बाद।
So, two cricketers from the Australian women team, who is in India, in fact, to participate in the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup, which is going on at the moment, were allegedly harassed. Both the players were stalked, and one of the players was in fact allegedly molested by a motorcycle-borne man in Indore of Madhya Pradesh. He has now been caught. He has been identified as 28 years old Akil Khan, a repeat offender. There were multiple criminal cases against him. That was the image that led to his arrest. Luckily, there was a bystander who also recorded his motorcycle's number plate that helped the cops to track him down and arrest him as soon as possible. On the right side of his screen, you are looking at the very man being arrested currently in the judiciary's radar. An investigation against him is also going on. We've got some more political reactions coming in. Let's listen in.
इंदौर में जो घटना हुई है वो निश्चित रूप से शर्मनाक है। शर्मसार करने वाली हरकत अकील नाम के व्यक्ति ने की है। पुलिस ने कार्रवाई करके उसको गिरफ्तार किया है। हमारी परंपरा तो अतिथि देवो भवो की है। हम तो अतिथि को देवता के रूप में जानते हैं, उनको मानते हैं, पर इस तरह की हरकत सभ्य समाज में इसका कहीं कोई स्थान नहीं है। इसीलिए प्रशासन ने तुरंत कार्रवाई की है, सख्त कार्रवाई के निर्देश दिए हैं और ये सुनिश्चित किया जाएगा कि ऐसी कार्रवाई हो जिसका नजीर प्रस्तुत हो, कोई ऐसी हरकतें आगे ना कर पाए, ऐसी घटनाओं की पुनरावृत्ति ना हो, इसके भी निर्देश दिए गए हैं। अकील नाम का व्यक्ति इस पूरे मामले में संलिप्त पाया गया है, उसको गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है, उस पर केस लगा दिया गया है और जो सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होगी वो की जाएगी।